Hi, ano kayang masarap kainin?
Alam mo ba na lahat ng gusto mong kainin ay genetically modified foods?
Hi, I'm Yamila. I'm Katie, and we will talk about GMO.
What is GMO, or genetically modified organism? GMO is a plant, animal, microorganism, or other organism whose genetic makeup has been modified in a laboratory using genetic engineering or transgenic technology. This creates combinations of plants, animal, bacteria, and virus genes that do not occur in nature or through traditional crossbreeding methods.
GMOs are generally made for medical reasons. It is used to produce many medicines and vaccines that help treat or prevent diseases. Before GMOs, many common medicines had to be extracted from blood donors or animal parts. This medicine had a number of problems, including the risk of transmission of diseases, inconsistent quality, and unreliable supply. GMOs are generally made for environmental reasons by making targeted improvements to crops through genetic engineering. Farmers can raise more food for a growing world population while reducing agriculture's impact on the environment. Additionally, genetically modified crops enable farmers to grow more crops, using less land while applying fewer chemicals and conserving water and energy, allowing farmers to be more productive and efficient.
Papaya, potato, corn, soy, sugar, are some examples of genetically modified foods.
GMO foods can trigger the allergies of a lot of people. Most of the GMO foods contribute to the development of cancer in our bodies. That's why a lot of people get cancer because of the unhealthy food that contains GMO.
Genetic engineering creates dangerous side effects. Irrespective of the type of genes that are inserted, the very process of creating a genetically modified plant can result in massive collateral damage that produces new toxins, allergens, carcinogens, and nutritional deficiencies.
What is a GMO? Well, it's an organism that's been genetically modified. This means scientists combine the DNA of one or more organisms for some specific genetic feature. Usually this entails engineering plants with toxic bacteria that kill bugs that try to eat the genetically modified plant. Currently, up to 88% of corn grown in the US is genetically modified, 91% of soybeans, and 88% of cotton are GMO crops as well. These raw foods are then widely used in food production processes. Nearly 3 of every 4 processed foods contains at least one GMO ingredient. It's almost impossible to avoid products containing GMOs. Everything from soda and juice to canned tuna, breakfast cereal, even milk, and delicious bacon can be genetically modified. Currently though, GMO products sit camouflaged on the store shelf. Consumers have no way of knowing if the food they are eating is genetically modified frankenfood or not. If GMO labeling was, however, legally mandated, consumers would have the power to choose for themselves. Because after all, you do have the right to know what's in your food.